FMCG major Marico is looking for an equity fundraising offering. Nisha Poddar gets us exclusive details on that. Nisha, how much are they looking to raise? What are they likely to use these funds for? And what route would they adopt?
Right, Tanvi. What I gather from my sources is that Marico is in the market to raise about $100 million, and this will be through a stake sale in the parent company, close to 5% stake sale. Remember, the market cap of the company is close to 10,000 crore rupees at the moment. What I also gather from my sources is that there are three big private equity players which are in talks with Marico for a buyout of the stake in the parent company of Marico, and these are GIC, Temasek as well as Khazana. There could be more private equity players who could be offered this stake in the company, and more talks could eventually turn out. But the two banks which are right now advising Marico for the stake sale are Citi and Kotak, and those talks are going on. Remember, the funds will be utilized by the company to deleverage their balance sheet, because recently they made a big acquisition of Paras's personal care business. Remember, this was bought over by Reckitt Benckiser, which had put on the block the personal care business, in which Marico had bid and had won that particular deal. Remember, they have got the three big brands in the personal care business, which are Livon, Set Wet as well as Zatak, and they are expected to get or reap a lot of benefits for Marico going forward. So yes, deleveraging the balance sheet as well as getting in the private equity players who are attracted towards these brands and are probably more confident about these brands doing well for Marico as a big portfolio in that company. So those are the two reasons why Marico is in the market right now. Valuations is something that is being discussed at the moment.
Right, so Nisha, essentially the valuation is pretty much in line with what the market price is. But how soon should we expect this deal will likely close?
George, as we know right now, many companies are in the market and want funds from the private equity players, especially with capital markets not auguring well at the moment, and debt situation is looking bad because of the credit crunch. So in that scenario, a lot of private equity players have a lot of offerings from many companies. Of course, FMCG major Marico has very good prospects, and that could eventually turn out to be a good deal in a short time. But remember, private equity players have a lot to choose from at this point. So nobody can really say that how soon the deal can be getting through. But Citi and Kotak are on the job at the moment, and Marico has good prospects going forward, especially with these brands coming in. So the deal could be expected in the next quarter or so.